Okay, some of you are having problems with the data, and I keep telling you in your emails and in other emails that you're not going to be able to just double click on school victimization data and open it. You're just not going to be able to do it. Okay, I can do it on my computer because I have SPSS on my computer, but you're not going to be able to do it because you don't have SPSS. So in order to do this, you have to save it to a USB port. And I had that question a couple of times. Why do I need to save it to a USB port? And that's because the computer that you're going to be accessing to use the data cannot read your computer. It can only read from your USB port, from that drive. So in order to use the data, and you must be able to use the data, you have to do what I tell you to do, okay? So in order to download the data, you can't double click. So I'm going to show you how to download the data. So you're going to right click and save link as. And then you're going to navigate to, now you see this on my computer because again, once again, I have SPSS on my computer. You don't. All right. So, but you're going to have to then navigate to your USB port, wherever it is located, and then save it there and then click save. All right. That's the only way you're going to be able to save this data. Okay. So, and I keep emphasizing the fact that, I asked you the first week of class to work out your issues with SPSS in order to get access and that kind of thing. And apparently, that didn't happen for most of you. So that's why you're having these issues and that's why you're behind. But note, I will be posting more activities for SPSS this week. So you need to get on the good foot. All right.